This is yet another interesting segment of our show, Relationship Flow with Amarachi Covenant. And today we are going to be talking about online dating, a very interesting topic. Just for now, stay back, relax. We will be right back. Alright guys, welcome back to Relationship Flow with Amarachi Covenants. Still on the topic online dating. But is there anything wrong with online dating? Not at all. Online is a platform created for singles and married to get to know each other. We meet people online for different reasons, for different relationships, business relationship, moral relationship, financial relationship, marital relationship, or different kind of relationship depending on what you want and depending on the kind of person you are dealing with. But today we are talking about relationship between singles online. But at the same time, I need you to understand there are pros and cons about relationship. There are advantages and disadvantages. Assuming you get to meet somebody online, what do you know about this person? What do you know about his surroundings? As a matter of fact, what he has given to you on profile might not be the real personality. There are also misconceptions about online relationships, online dating. Some sites have done their own part. They've created a platform for people to, relate, talk, gist. They've come to promote relationship via their platform. But at the end of the day, it's no longer promoting a relationship, it's promoting casual sex. This is improper. Two people meet online, they get down, and at the end of the day, they lose their proper relationship. This is not a way of promoting relationship, but it's not entirely their fault because they have come to create the sites left for people to, adults. As a matter of fact, online dating is not for children, it's for adults. Alright guys, like I was saying before, there's actually nothing wrong with online dating. The difference between online dating and on-site dating is just the initial way of meeting. And don't forget, there are pros and cons about online dating, so you have to be careful. You need to know the environment where the person is coming from. As a matter of fact, the profile online you see might not really be the right profile for the person, so you need to be guided. I know that some people don't like online dating, and as a matter of fact, they have their reasons, very good reasons at that. Some of them, online dating doesn't work for them. There's security, and some of them don't want to hear that I met my guy, I met my husband online. It's not a good gist to them. And don't forget to be careful with your profile, your online profile. It's very, very important. Don't give out every detail about you. The person you're meeting for the first time might be a scam, so be very, very careful. All right, wonderful people, this is the end of our show for today, and don't forget this Relationship Flow with Amarachi Covenant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe after now. Bye.